Hi everyone, this is Melis from Lightware. I'm very excited today to talk to you about our latest integration with Cisco VC kits. As you know, last year we introduced our integration, an online tool with Cisco Room Kit, allows you to configure any VC room in under a few minutes. Today we're happy to announce we added a divisible room solution. In this setup today, we do have two independent VC kits, its own sources on the table, lighting system divided by a partition. All you have to do is, once you open the partition, the Lightware matrix will reconfigure both room kits. It will disable one of them and put it on Do Not Disturb. And then you will have all the table input, the sources, the control migrated under one touch 10. Through this touch 10, you can access any source from the first room, room A or room B. And it will let you switch and navigate between your sources. Also, it will give you a light control, which they're going to be combined together under one touch 10. To find out more, please, I do encourage you to visit our website, lightware.com, for more details. Thank you.